Okay, it is Tuesday, March 4th. And yeah, March is definitely coming in like a lion this year. Should be working on my metal bra orders and stuff, but no. I gotta get up on the roof with the screw gun and tack down some metal before it peels off. Anyway, yeah, trailer's been rattling all morning. Shook some stuff off the shelf, but still managed to get a drone flight in just to see what it's like flying in 50-mile-an-hour gusty winds like that. But yeah, it was howling out there. Going downwind was the tricky part because it kept wanting to drop me into the ground. Anyway, yeah, like that. Anyway, like and subscribe if you want to see me survive.